Hi students, today we will discuss about the last poem of your textbook, that is 9 Gold Medals, written by David Roth. 9 Gold Medals, written by the American rock vocalist David Roth, is a song that inspires human compassion and cooperation. The poem is based on a story about the 9 differently abled athletes in a special Olympic event. In a race, when one runner fell to the ground, all the others stopped and returned back to help him stand on his feet, and then they walked hand in hand to finish the race. Each of the athletes was awarded a gold medal in recognition of their outstanding show of empathy and compassion. So we can have a small detailed study about the background of this poem. Variations of the song are available on the internet, but the version sung by the Scottish singer Lane McIntosh in 1996 is included in the ICSE board collection. Though McIntosh mentioned it as a true story in his introduction, an online report claims it to be partially true. According to the Fox at the Special Olympics Washington office, the incident happened at a 1976 track and field event held in Spokane, Washington. A contestant did take a tumble, and one or two of the other athletes turned back to help the fallen one, culminating in their crossing the finish line together, but it was only one or two, not everyone in the event. The others continued to run their race. However, beyond the authenticity of the incident, the poem 9 Gold Medals conveys a great message to the humanity that the world now needs no more competition but more cooperation and collaboration. This is very much relevant in our times when people forget to help one another in an unhealthy rat race in every aspect of life. Now we will see the poem stanza-wise. The athletes had come from so many countries to run for the gold, for the silver and the bronze. Many weeks and months in training, all building up to the games. Athletes have come from many countries all over the world to take part in the Special Olympics. They were there to compete for medals, gold, silver and bronze. They have gone through strenuous training for months to participate in the events with the high hopes and dreams of winning medals. Now we will see the second stanza. All round the field spectators were gathered, cheering on all the young women and men. Then the final event of the day was approaching, the last race about to begin. Now let us see the meaning. A large audience was present at the ground to cheer the participants of different events. They cheered and enjoyed throughout the day. Now it was the time for the final event of the day, the race. People were eagerly waiting for the event to begin. Stanza 3. The loudspeakers called out the names of the runners. The 100 meters, the race to be run. And the 9 young athletes stood there determined and poised for the sound of the gun. The names of the runners who would take part in the 100-meter race were announced. There were 9 participants, all determined to win the competition and lined up behind the starting point. They were ready to start, waiting for the sound of the gun. Now, stanza 4. The signal was given, the pistol exploded. And so did the runners on hearing the sound. But the youngest among them stumbled and staggered, and he fell on his knees to the ground. The pistol exploded, signaling the start of the race. All the runners charged ahead along their respective tracks, but suddenly there occurred an unexpected thing. The shortest athlete among them stumbled and staggered and fell on his knees to the ground, the asphalt track. Now let us see the 5th stanza. He gave out a cry of frustration and anguish. His dreams and his efforts dashed in the dirt, but as sure as I am standing here telling the story, now it's a strange one, but here's what occurred. Nothing could be more frustrating for a differently abled athlete after such tough training. The moment he fell, he knew all his dreams, hopes and efforts were dusted. His pain and disappointment made him give out a cry. But he did not end here. There occurred something really strange following his fall. Stanza 6. The 8 other athletes stopped in their tracks, the ones who had trained for so long to compete. One by one they turned around and came back to help him and lifted the lad to his feet. Strangely enough, the 8 other athletes who were ahead of him stopped in their tracks. Though they had trained hard for so long to compete with one another and win medals, the fall of one athlete changed their minds. They now returned one by one and helped the fallen one stand up on his feet. Stanza 7. Then all 9 runners joined hands and continued. The 100 meters reduced to a walk, and the banner above the said Special Olympics could not have been nearer the mark. Then all the 9 athletes joined hands and walked to the finishing line together. The 100-meter race was reduced to a walk. It was not a race. It became a walk. But still, it was special for the great display of human compassion, cooperation and sportsman spirit. It could not have been more special in any way. The Olympics named special because of some disability of the participants. But because of their attitude, the Special Olympics became very special to the world. Now we will see the last stanza. That's how the race ended. With 9 gold medals, they came to the finish line holding hands still, and the banner above and the 9 smiling faces said more than these words ever will, said more than these words ever will. Thus the race ended with the 9 athletes holding their hands right to the finishing mark. They won 9 gold medals, one for each, very deservingly. The 9 sportsmen stood in smiling faces under the banner that declared it is as a Special Olympics. Those smiling faces touched the heart of everyone present there. It delivered something special, a great feeling and a great lesson This is mere poem is not enough to express. It was beyond words. So now let us see some of the important themes that is mentioned in this poem. The first one is celebration of human values. The poem celebrates human values pertaining to kindness, cooperation, and empathy. You see, the complete story explains or conveys us the message that it is not a competition. Competition is not important. Competition can be, but what is most important in the life? It is kindness, it is cooperation, it is empathy. When you help each other, that is more valuable than a competition. You compete each other, there is no problem, but you should not step on someone to have a success. Don't put down someone to have success in your life. Help him, let him come with you, let him also have success, let them also have success, let them enjoy with you the taste of success. The second theme, it is true spirit of sportsmanship. So what can we say? What is a sportsman spirit? This failing in a competition is not a matter for a real sports person. The real sportsman spirit is just participating in a competition. Whether you success or fail, it is not a matter for. You participated, you did what maximum you can. That is what a sportsman spirit is. So these are the two main themes that the poet tries to convey through the song or poem. He is a famous vocalist, a singer. So that is, he is conveying the message to the world that what is important to us. Important to us is the human values. And not competition is not good in the world. In the present scenario, it is very important. So these are the main themes. You have a reading of this poem again. Go through the workbook, complete the works. If there is any doubt, you can comment on it. We will clear all the doubts. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.